Good morning, Mr. Reynolds. Thank you for inviting me to present today. I am honored to join Nexitech Software as the new Human Resources Director. My purpose today is to show how incorporating human resources analytics into Nexitech will provide a competitive advantage, strengthen our decision making, and drive measurable results. In a startup environment with only 50 employees, every decision counts. Whether it is hiring, training, or retention, the impact of even one employee can significantly influence our growth trajectory and our culture. That is why a strong analytics strategy is essential. Today, I will outline how we can ensure that decisions about our people are just as data driven as our decisions about product development, sales, and finance. Our agenda today includes 4 parts. First, I will explain why human resources analytics is critical to Nexitech. Second, I will outline specific applications of analytics in talent acquisition, retention, performance, training, and workforce planning. Third, I will highlight the analytical methods we will use to calculate these metrics. Finally, I will walk you through an implementation roadmap that ensures both quick wins and long-term scalability. By the end, my goal is to demonstrate how analytics will transform human resources from an administrative function into a true strategic partner in Nexitech's growth. Why HR analytics matters. Human resources analytics is important because it connects people decisions directly to business outcomes. As Cassio, Boudreaux, and Fink describe in Investing in People, analytics quantifies the economic value of individuals and initiatives. At Nexitech's current size, the cost of even one poor hiring or retention decision can be significant. Analytics allows us to measure that impact and optimize every dollar invested in people. For example, if we improve our hiring process and reduce time to fill by 20%, we accelerate our development cycle and improve our speed to market. If we reduce turnover by even a single key employee per year, we save the company potentially 150% of that employee's salary in replacement costs and lost productivity. This approach ensures that Nexitech's decisions about people are not based on instinct or anecdote. Instead, we make evidence-based decisions, creating a culture where analytics drive strategy across every function of the business. The first application is talent acquisition. We will track cost per hire, time to fill, and quality of hire. By benchmarking our average cost per hire, for example, $15,000, and average time to fill at 21 days, we can identify ways to compete more effectively for talent. We will also measure which recruitment channels provide the strongest return on investment by tracking candidate sources and conversion rates. This ensures that Nexitech invests resources in the channels that deliver the highest performing hires. Beyond measurement, we will use predictive models to forecast candidate success. By building validated assessment scorecards and correlating selection data with long-term job performance, we reduce the risk of poor hires and improve the likelihood of securing high-impact talent. Strong hires are shown to be up to 3 times more productive than average hires, which creates measurable financial gains for the company. The second application is retention and engagement. Research shows that turnover costs can reach 150% of an employee's salary. For Nexitech, with 50 employees, each departure disrupts not only productivity, but also culture. For instance, if a senior developer or sales lead were to leave, the impact on project delivery or revenue could be immediate and costly. We will analyze engagement survey data, exit interviews, and performance metrics to identify employees who may be at risk of leaving. Predictive risk modeling will highlight early warning signs such as declining engagement or decreased productivity. This allows us to implement proactive strategies such as mentorship, career growth opportunities, or workload balancing that address root causes before turnover occurs. The objective is to maintain a motivated, engaged workforce that remains committed to Nexitech's mission and growth. The third application is performance and productivity. By applying regression models, we will connect employee outputs, such as code releases, bug resolution, and customer accounts managed, directly to revenue outcomes. For example, if a new product release is tied to $500,000 in revenue, analytics helps us measure exactly how contributions from development, quality assurance, and customer success teams create that value. This allows us to reward high performers with evidence-based recognition and ensures that our performance appraisal system is both fair and directly aligned with business growth. In a fast-paced startup environment, this clarity is essential for scaling without losing accountability. The fourth application is learning and development. We will apply Kirkpatrick's 4 levels of evaluation to assess training: reaction, learning, behavior, and results. This ensures we measure not only how employees feel about training, but also what they learn, how they apply it, and the results it delivers to Nexitech. We will also use utility analysis, such as the Brogden-Cronbach-Glesser model, to quantify return on investment. For example, if a new coding certification program increases developer productivity by 10%, we can convert that improvement into both cost savings and additional revenue generation. This ensures that every training dollar invested delivers measurable results, keeping development tightly aligned with business strategy. The fifth application is strategic workforce planning. With 2 major product launches scheduled for next year, Nexitech must anticipate future staffing needs. Predictive analytics will allow us to forecast demand for developers, sales professionals, and customer support staff. By comparing current workforce capabilities against projected requirements, we can identify skill gaps and take action early. This approach balances internal development, external hiring, and contractor partnerships. It ensures that Nexitech has the right people with the right skills in the right roles at the right time, while avoiding both understaffing and unnecessary overhead. To put this strategy into action, we will follow a 4-phase roadmap. Phase 1, infrastructure setup. We will establish a human resources information system with analytics capabilities that integrates data securely. Phase 2, baseline data collection. We will gather historical information on hiring, turnover, and performance to establish benchmarks. Phase 3, predictive model development. We will create dashboards and algorithms for forecasting hiring outcomes, turnover risks, and performance trends. Phase 4 is strategic reporting. We will provide quarterly updates to you and the leadership team, ensuring alignment between human resource analytics and Nexitech's evolving business strategy. This phased approach ensures that we generate immediate insights while building long-term, scalable analytics capacity. In conclusion, human resource analytics empowers Nexitech to make evidence-based decisions that improve both people management and business results. By focusing on talent acquisition, retention, productivity, learning, and workforce planning, we create a framework that is scalable, accountable, and aligned to our business growth strategy. Each of these areas directly strengthens our ability to deliver products, grow revenue, and retain the exceptional talent that drives Nexitech forward. Thank you, Mr. Reynolds, for your leadership and vision. I look forward to partnering with you and the executive team to ensure that human resources is not simply a support function, but a strategic driver of Nexitech's software success.